Session 45. Collecting and organizing data. Good conclusions begin with clear questions and reliable records. Tallies record observations quickly, while frequency tables show how often each value or category occurs. By the end, you'll distinguish data types, build and check frequency tables, organize group data, and interpret totals and modes. Data are collected values or categories. Categorical data use labels, while numerical data use numbers with meaningful order or size. A frequency table pairs each category or value with its count, and all frequencies should add to the number of observations. Organized data supports decisions in schools, businesses, science, and public services. Schools summarize attendance, travel choices, and survey responses. Shops count product sales to plan stock. Scientists record repeated measurements before analyzing patterns. A collection method should match the question and avoid wording that pushes people toward one answer. Categories must be clear and non-overlapping, so every observation has one appropriate place. Always check that the frequency total matches the original number of data values. Organize these color choices: blue, red, green, red, blue. Tally each response once. Blue occurs 3 times, red twice, and green once. The frequency total is 6, matching the 6 original responses. Organize the scores 4, 3, 5, 4, 2, 4, 3. The frequencies are 1 for 2, 2 for 3, 3 for 4, and 1 for 5. The total is 7, and the most frequent score, is 4. Group data place values into intervals such as 10 to 14, 15 to 19, and 20 to 24. If their frequencies are 3, 5, and 4, the intervals contain 12 observations altogether. The intervals have no gaps or overlaps, so each whole number age fits exactly one group. Complete example: 20 students travel by walking, bus, car, or cycle. Frequencies are 6, 8, 4, and 2. Check the total. 6 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2 equals 20. Bus is the modal category with frequency 8, and its fraction is 8/20, which simplifies to 2/5. The table is consistent because every student is counted once, and the frequencies total 20. Don't draw tally marks as an unbroken row. Group the 5th mark across the previous 4. Don't use overlapping categories because one observation could then be counted twice. And don't skip the total check. Missing or duplicated values can change every conclusion. Practice question 1. A tally shows one complete group of 5 and 3 more marks. Option A is 5. Option B is 7. Option C is 8. Option D is 9. Pause. Combine the group of 5 with the 3 extra marks. Option C is correct. A frequency of 8. 5 plus 3 equals 8. Practice question 2. A frequency table contains counts 4, 7, 5, and 4. What is the total? Option A is 20. Option B is 16. Option C is 21. Option D is 12. Pause. Add every frequency once. Option A is correct. 20 observations. 4 plus 7 plus 5 plus 4 equals 20. Practice question 3. A survey has 25 responses. 3 known frequencies are 6, 8, and 4. Find the missing frequency. Option A is 5. Option B is 6. Option C is 8. Option D is 7. Pause. Subtract the known total from 25. Option D is correct, 7. The known frequencies total 18, and 25 minus 18 is 7. Let's wrap up. Choose a fair collection method and identify categorical or numerical data. Use tallies and frequency tables to organize every observation exactly once. Keep categories exclusive, add frequencies, check the total, and then interpret features such as the mode. Keep going with Year 7 Maths at bridge2exam.com.